latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
The Delhi High Court on Tuesday granted bail to Safoora Zargar, a Jamia Millia Islamia student in Delhi riots case. Safoora Zargar's imprisonment on charges of instigating riots had triggered outrage. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta did not object to the bail purely on humanitarian grounds as she was said to be 6 months pregnant. Zargar had been arrested in a case registered under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act following the riots in Northeast Delhi in February 2020.
The government of India has been exceedingly intolerant towards free speech and dissent, but to arrest Safoora, who is in the second trimester of her pregnancy, and sent her to an overcrowded prison during the pandemic highlights how brutal is the ongoing clampdown in the country.
Riots had been triggered after a massive protest against the CAA NPR NRC. Justice Rajiv Shagdher, hearing the bail petition, allowed regular bail to Zargar, a member of the Jamia Coordination Committee. Shagdher directed Zargar to furnish a bail bond of 10,000 rupees and put down other conditions such as not indulging in any activities for which she was being investigated. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the Delhi police, did not object to the plea without conceding to factual or legal assertion on her bail plea. Police called her a key conspirator in anti-Muslim riots that swept Delhi in February, in which 53 people died. Safoora Zargar's family denied the allegation, saying that she had only been a part of protests against the controversial citizenship law. However, Zargar was charged under the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act UAPA, a draconian law that makes it nearly impossible for the accused to get bail. The court, while granting bail, said the order is based on concession that should not be treated as a precedent in any other case. The court, imposing conditions, directed her not to influence, hamper, or interfere with the ongoing investigation in any matter. The court also ordered her not to go out of Delhi without permission from the trial court. The 27-year-old had been arrested by Delhi Police's special cell on April 10th. Delhi Police, in an earlier affidavit, had opposed her plea for bail on the grounds of pregnancy. Delhi Police asserted that 39 births took place in prisons in Delhi over the last 10 years.